everybody, and welcome back to another video.
He's excited that he has 1 subscriber. Boo! I have 20.
So guess what?
Best video ever. Worst.
I'm gonna tell your mom that you've been a jerk. And so, guess this is a game called Make It Rain. You fling money in the air, and it comes down, and you get millions of money. But only if you have this bucket right here, and this 500K money per second. What the heck? That's the worst game. So what you do is you fling in the air, and basically what you can do is you can do tournaments like this right here, which you can swipe credit cards, and you can double your money with golden piggy banks, and you can do when you have enough money you can do this. Oh, this is an ad. Well, you can watch this ad to see that this game is kind of amazing. So you can see it's called Build Away. And so if I scroll down, since I have a lot, I can buy an angel investment. So when you have a lot of money, you can just fling it in the air and you don't have to care. But this, you buy stuff, it reduces your money. So you could have like 1 million money per second. So, yeah. So
he's doing a video, guys. It's up. Bye. He has to eat pizza. Bye.
Yeah, so
get out.
Anyway, that guy is. And so let's go down to have the pizza party.
Do you open your iPad?
Oh. So here's Adam. There is my dog. There's my dog named Cooper. C-U-O-O-P-E-R. And what kind of Domino's is it, Mom? Tell us.
It's pepperoni from Papa Murphy's.
Okay. If you can take a look at the pizza. That's pineapple. But we got pepperoni.
Boss.
Yep. You tell him. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please leave a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye!